If you've just bought a stock Clio 3RS, one of the first modifications you're going to want to look at doing is adding an induction kit. It's the most cost-effective way to increase airflow to your engine, improve throttle response, adding that extra bit of horsepower that you've been after, and setting you up nicely for any future modifications that you're looking to make. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest version of our KTR Clio 3RS induction kit. We're going to get it fitted onto one of the vehicles here, up onto the dyno to test it and find out what sort of improvements you can expect to see from this upgrade. And we're going to test the sound difference between the standard airbox and the induction kit. So stay tuned for that later on in this video. So here we have the latest version of the KTR Clio 3RS induction kit. This particular kit will fit all Clio 3RS models, 197-200, including the Cup and Gordini. It's supplied with a bespoke laser cut and press bent heat shield, designed specifically to utilise the existing cold air feed and ensure the air entering the engine is as cold and dense as possible, unlocking additional torque and power from improved airflow through the air filter. The surface area of this air filter is significantly greater than that of a standard airbox, allowing plenty of clean, cold air into your engine. It's been designed with a foam air filter as opposed to a pleated one because we find it to be a lot less restrictive and is much easier to clean. It provides a better long-term performance and a higher dust load-up capacity, and when it's cleaned and oiled correctly, there is a much longer life to it. The hard intake pipe is made from powder-coated aluminium for durability and also heat resistance, and it'll avoid any crushing or movement in the engine bay. When you buy this kit, you are supplied with full fitting instructions for DIY fitment, as well as our instructional fitting video, which you can find in the linked card above. I'm going to go ahead now and get this fitted onto our demo car and see what it makes on the dyno. So we've just fitted the induction kit now. We've got the car up on the dyno ready to test and see what power it makes, but James is just going to kind of go through a few pointers on what it was like to fit and how easy it was.
Yeah, so the actual KTR induction kit, it's not particularly difficult piece of kit to fit, to be fair. Obviously taking the original airbox out involves removing the battery tray. Apart from the actual bolts to clamping the battery down, almost all of it is plastic clips when it comes to the tray. So you literally just got to unclip the little fuse box and the relay box on the side, and it all comes out. And then that gives you a lot more access to the area behind where the airbox is and where the new induction kit will be fitting. Yeah, apart from getting everything all in line with the pins, there's nothing really to catch out at all. So if you have any issues fitting the kit, don't hesitate to contact us, or we can provide a fitting service if that's the case for you.
So we'll get it on the dyno now and see what sort of power it makes. This car has already had a map on it, so the figures are going to be slightly higher than a stock vehicle, but it's worth seeing the difference anyway from the standard, isn't it? So.
Yeah, exactly.
So we saw just under 4 brake horsepower improvement in this car on the dyno. It has been previously mapped, so with a new remap and on a stock car, you're likely to see a bit more power in that, but there was a much smoother power curve, and it sounds so much better with a much more noticeable, deeper induction noise. This kit It retails at £199, including VAT. It's a great kit for the money, and especially, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, a really handy first modification to do on any stock car. So we definitely recommend checking it out on the website. The link will be in the description box. Please do subscribe to our channel. There'll be loads more content coming soon, lots to keep an eye out on.